Students, continue the structure of atoms. Like magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number determines the orientation of the orbital, and it has a values from minus L to plus L. Here L is azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number values minus L in the plus L ತನಕ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಓರಿಯಂಟೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್. if example 4p ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 4p is orbital. These three are orbitals. Orbital. If it is 4p orbital, here n is 4. And here principal quantum number 4. P indicates S, 1 for S orbital, 2 for P orbital, 3 for D, and 4 for F orbitals. P is so azimuthal quantum number is 1, 0 and 1. Here magnetic quantum number for this. If it is 1 and the magnetic quantum number is 0 plus 1 minus 1, because azimuthal quantum number is minus and minus to cos plus L. So if it is a 1 means it has minus 1, 0 plus 1, 3 orientations are for 3 orientation ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. minus 1, 0 plus 1 ಈ 3 orientation ಆಯ್ತು. ಈ 3 ಏನಿರಬಹುದು minus 1, 0 plus 1 ಮೂರಿಗೆ ಓರಿಯಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದು x ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಒಂದು y ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು z ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ಇದು 4px, 4py, 4pz ಮೂರು ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓರಿಯಂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ p ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್, s ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್, d ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 5, f 7 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ d 5 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. D 3D enter. Here principal quantum number is 3. Principal quantum number is n is equal to 3. Then L is equal to L for azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number value for D is 2. S for S having orbital subshell 0, P having the subshell value 1 and D 2. Like magnetic quantum number for this or 3D orbital, if it is L is equal to 3 means it has orientations minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. How many orientations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 orientations. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ 3D ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 orientations ಅದಾವ. ಏನು ಹೆಸರು 5 orientations ಹೆಸರು? ULP P orbitals 3 orientations ಇರ್ತಾವ. PX, PY, PZ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. P orbitals ಅಲ್ಲಿ D orbitals ಆದ್ರೆ 5 orientations ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಹೆಸರು ನೇಮ್ 5 orbitals are 5 D orbitals are DXY, DYZ, DXZ, DX square minus Y square, DZ. For example, minus 1 common, it's not completely. Minus 1 DXY, DYZ, DXZ, and DX square minus Y square, DZ. Like that, 5 orientations are possible in T. Like 5s, S value S orbital. 5s orbital related, then principal quantum number n is equal to 5. S, yeah, S indicates S subshell, and azimuthal quantum number is 0. Magnetic quantum number having 0 value, 0, 1 orientation. S orbital having only 1 orientation. 3 orbital, P orbitals having 3 orientations. D orbitals having 5 orientations. F orbitals 7 orientations. It forms only 1 orientation. Orientation of the orbital can be determined by using magnetic quantum number. Now let us small s. It is indicated by plus or minus 1 by 2. Up spin R. It is indicated by up spin or down spin. Downward, upward. Are paired electrons. Paired electrons are clockwise direction and it is anti-clockwise direction. One orbital maximum accommodates 2 electrons. For example, spin quantum number for 3p orbital. Spin quantum numbers for right spin quantum number for 3p orbitals. Here n is equal to 3. Principal quantum number is equal to 3 and azimuthal quantum number is 1 because it is just p orbital. Then magnetic quantum number is, if it is 1 means it is minus 1, 0, plus 1. 3 orientations. Magnetic quantum number. S means it is spin quantum number. Spinning of the spinning quantum numbers for 3p is plus or minus 1 by 2. Why it is written plus or minus 1 by 2 means it has a specific values. If orbital px, py and pz, they have the respective magnetic quantum numbers plus 1, px plus 1, py plus or minus 1, pz 0. Like orbitals, d orbitals containing the magnetic quantum numbers. dz square 0, dxy orientation having magnetic quantum number minus 1, dxz having the value magnetic orientation plus 1, dxy minus y square and then plus 2, dxy contains minus 2. For example, 3px. Here m is equal to 3 and m is equal to 1 and m is 3px. Px plus or minus 1. Well, plus or 3px plus or minus 1 magnetic quantum number values. Then write directly spin quantum number also plus or minus 1 by 4d x square minus y square. 4d x square minus y square. For this orbital, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 2 for d, and m is plus 2. M is magnetic quantum number value for specifically for d x square minus y square plus 2. Then spin quantum number is plus or minus 1 by 2. Next concept is shapes of the atomic orbitals. Shapes of the atomic orbital is also already described by the azimuthal quantum number. S orbital has S shape, spherical shape, P principal and it has 3 orientations Px, Py and Pz. D has 5 d orbitals, 5 d orbitals, and F has 7 orbitals. Like this is the representation. What is the shape for s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, and f? When an electron in energy state, in any state it may be ground state 1, R2, R3, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 to be continued. When an electron in any energy state, the wave function is psi, wave function corresponding to that energy state, that contains all information about the electron. The psi contains the all information about the electrons. Let us see. This is the graph variation of the probability density psi square as a function of r. R is the radius from the nucleus. Where suppose the center is the nucleus, if an electron is revolving revolves around the nucleus. If electron is near, electron here this is just a distance another r. Here psi square probability of finding electron throughout three-dimensional space is called psi. Or orbitals. Orbital the R variation of probability density psi square as a function of distance r, distance between the r and nucleus of the electron from the nucleus for 1s and 2s orbitals. 1s orbital anta the first orbital ಬರತಕ್ಕಂತದ್ದು, the second orbital ಬರತಕ್ಕಂತದ್ದು 1s and 2s. It is for n is equal to 1 quantum number, it is n is equal to 2 quantum number. First orbit, second orbit. First orbitally shape. It is a graph representation psi square probability density psi square as a function of r versus r, distance from the nucleus in nanometer nm. It is occurred in 1s orbital, n is equal to 1, first orbital. Then the graph is points down at 0. The region of the space, the graph is containing 0. The surface is called as nodes. In the first region, it is sharply goes slow or falls to 0. In the 2s orbitals, it decreases and then increases and then decreases. It means it is a 1s and it is 2s. At the second time, it is increases up to the maximum and then decreases. It is decreasing, increasing the level, the peak level indicates that there is a 2s orbital. And the 3s orbitals, the maximum level, the peak level that decreases. Here, maximum that decreases ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 0 ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 0 4 1s ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ 0 ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 2s ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಇದಾಗಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 3s ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The region is place, job. The region where this probability density psi square function reduces to 0, reduces to completely 0. The is called as nodal surface or radial nodes, are commonly called nodes. In general, it can be defined as number of nodes. Number of nodes 1s, 2s and 3s orbitals is the number of nodes increases with the increases of principal quantum number. Principal quantum number means n is equal to 1, 2, 3. As the orbital number increases, number of nodes increases. In 1s orbital, there is no nodes, and 2s orbitals 1 node, and 3s orbital 2 nodes. Number of nodes increases with the increase in principal quantum number n. The 2s orbital has 1 node and the 3s orbital has 2 nodes. Here it is the center of the nucleus. It is having s1s orbital structure. Here there is no nodes. Here is a 1 node, that is in the 2s orbital. In 3s orbital, it has 1 and 2. 3s orbital has 2 nodes. Like that, continues. This is the charged cloud diagram. Charged cloud diagram for 1s orbital, 2s orbital, 3s orbital. If you put the complete dark, they want the boundary surfaces for orbitals 1s, 2s and 3s. Shapes of the atomic orbital s orbitals. These are the boundary surface. Boundary surfaces for boundary surface diagrams for 1s orbital, 2s orbital, 3s orbital. the size and energy increases with the increases in number of quantum number, and it is n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. As the number of principal quantum number increases, size of the orbitals increases. The size shape is like a spherical, so the shape of the s orbitals is spherical. The boundary surface diagrams formed in s orbitals is actually sphere centered on the nucleus. Sphere centered on the nucleus. For example, 1s means 1s and 2s and 3s. So that actually a sphere centered on the nucleus, it encloses a region in which probability of finding electron is 90%. So thus all the s orbitals are spherical in shape. The size of the s orbital increases with the increase in number of principal quantum number, and that is 4s is greater than 3s, 3s is greater than 2s, and 2s is greater than 1s. The electron is located further away from the nucleus as number of principal quantum number increases. ಯಾವುದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ n is equal to 1, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ n ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೆ n is equal to 3, ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೋದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ 3s 4s 5s 6s s ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. The electron is located further away from the nucleus as the n increases. What is the shape of the s orbitals? Spherical in shape. Shape of p orbitals. P orbitals for 2p starts with the 2p, and in general for s orbitals in generally number of s orbitals can be calculated. Nodes can be calculated by using n minus 1. How many nodes are present in 1s? 0. Number of nodes in 2s? n minus 1. Here n is equal to 2. 2 minus 1. According to the formula, 2 minus 1. Number of nodes? 1. Here n minus 1. n is 3. 3 minus 1. Number of nodes? 2. But here n minus 2 in the p orbitals. How many p orbitals? 3 p orbitals along the axis p axis, y axis and z axis. Boundary surface diagrams for 2p orbitals. That is L is equal to 1. L is the azimuthal quantum number. It is in x axis, y axis, z axis. 2px, 2py, 2pz. 3 orbitals have formed 3 different axes. In this diagrams, the nucleus is at the origin center. It is having the center nucleus. In each p orbitals consists of 2 lobes, positive and negative. 2 lobes, and that are on the either side of the plane. That passes through the nucleus. The size, shape and energy of the 3 orbitals are identical, same, but differ in the way of lobes oriented. X means it is oriented at the p axis, and it is oriented at the y axis, and third one at the z axis. Same in the size, shape and energy, differ in the way of lobes oriented. And the order of the energy and size is increases as follows. 4p orbitals are greater than 3p, like s orbitals. 4p is greater than 3p orbitals. 3p orbitals are greater than 2p orbitals. 2p is the first. And how to calculate the radial modes are simply nodes by using n minus 2 formula. Here n minus 2. N minus 2 means n is equal to 2. 2 minus 2, no nodes are occurred in 2p orbitals. In 3p orbitals, 3 minus 2. Here n is 3. 3 minus 2 means for 3p orbitals, one node is present in the 3p orbitals, two nodes are present in 4p orbitals. N minus 2. This is a formula used to calculate the number of nodes or radial modes in 3p orbitals. What is the shape of the p orbitals now? Dumbbell shape. Now it is looking like a dumbbell. Dumbbell ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ you see that 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಶಿವನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಂಬಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡಂಬೆಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. These are the 5d orbitals. Boundary surface diagrams of d orbitals. 5d orbitals, that is d xy, x and y, d xy and d y z, d x z axis. They are the d x square minus y square, x square minus y square, and it is d z square. 5d orbitals structure. The d orbitals for which n is greater than 3. N is greater than 3. If n greater than 3, the 4d orbitals are entered in the 3d orbitals. So greater than 3 and 4d, 5d, so on. Also have the shapes similar to the 3d orbital, 3d orbitals, but differ in the energy and size. The number of radial modes are given by n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 1 for s orbitals, n minus 2 for p orbitals, n minus 3 for d orbitals. This is the formula to calculate number of nodes or radial modes. Number of radial modes for 4d orbitals. 4d, here n is 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Number of nodes 1 in 4d orbitals. Number of nodes, here n is 5. 5 minus 3 in 5d orbitals. 5d orbitals also same shape. What is the shape of d orbitals? Double shape. One dumbbell and one dumbbell. Double dumbbell